In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about navigating the Webflow Pages panel. This tutorial will help you effortlessly manage your website's pages by understanding how the panel works. Webflow's Pages panel is essentially the brain center for all your pages and their settings. It's where you can organize your site structure, create new pages, and adjust their attributes to fit your project's vision. Let's begin by showing you how to access this vital tool. In the top left corner of your Webflow interface, you'll notice the Pages icon. Simply click on this icon, or for quicker access, press the P key on your keyboard, and you'll be transported right into the Pages panel. Once inside the Pages panel, you'll see it lists out all your current pages. The next thing you might want to do is create a new page. For this, look towards the top of the left panel. You'll find an icon dedicated to creating a new page. Click on this icon and a prompt will appear asking you to name your new page. Enter a name that succinctly describes the purpose or content of the page to help you stay organized. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Create. Your new page will now appear in the Pages panel, ready for you to build on. Now, if you're managing a project that's starting to accumulate many pages, it can become a bit overwhelming. This is where the page grouping feature comes into play, helping you to keep everything in order. You can organize your pages by creating page folders. Define categories or sections that make sense for your project, and then easily drag individual pages into the folders. This not only tidies up your workspace, but also makes navigating through your pages much more intuitive. Now, let's say you want to delete a page, or maybe even a folder. While this task is straightforward, a little caution is advised to avoid accidentally removing important content. Begin by locating the page or folder you wish to delete. Next to the page name, you'll see a cog icon. Click on it. This will open up the Settings menu, where a trash icon is situated at the top. Click on this icon, and your page or folder will be deleted. Always double-check to make sure you're deleting the right element to prevent any accidental loss of content. By mastering these basic features of the Webflow Pages panel, you'll be able to build and maintain an organized and efficient website. The panel is designed to give you full control over your content, making it a powerful tool once you understand how to use it effectively. With this quick tutorial, you're now ready to dive in and start managing your Webflow pages with confidence. Happy building!